Hello, family. On behalf of everyone at EWTN, I want to wish you a very blessed Thanksgiving. As Catholics, we recognize that God, in His divine providence, has bestowed numerous blessings upon us. The beauty of nature, the love of family, the food that nourishes our bodies, and the Holy Eucharist that nourishes our souls. Today, I'm also grateful for you, our EWTN family. Mother Angelica, our late foundress, wanted people around the world to grow in their faith by watching EWTN. You are the fulfillment of that desire. I'm also thankful for your prayers and support. With you at our side, we've been able to reach more souls and start new initiatives, such as EWTN+. You're truly making a difference with your generosity. I pray that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and may God bless you today and always.
Please visit EWTN.com/Thanksgiving to find traditions and recipes from our EWTN hosts and to sign up for a free ebook, Gratitude of the Saints, 15 Timeless Quotes on Giving Thanks.